Standard 6th, Subject Geography, Chapter number 5, Temperature, Part 2. In this part, we are going to study about the ocean currents. Considering the temperatures of various places on the earth, maps of global distribution are prepared, is drawn with the help of isotherms. Isotherms are lines that connect places with the same temperature after avoiding the effects of height. These lines generally appear parallel to the latitude on a world map. An ocean current is any more or less permanent or continuous directed movement of ocean water that flows in one of the Earth's oceans. The current are generated from the forces acting upon the water like the Earth's rotation, the wind, the temperature and salinity differences and the gravitation of the moon. Causes of ocean currents. Ocean currents can be caused by wind, density differences in water, masses caused by temperature and salinity variations, gravity, and events such as earthquake or storms. Current are cohesive streams of sea water that circulate through the ocean. Ocean currents flow from the equator to the polar regions and from the polar regions to the equator. When an ocean current flows from the frigid to the torrid zone, it reduces the temperature of the coast in the torrid zone. When a current flows from the torrid to the frigid zone, it increases the temperatures of the coast in the frigid zone. Simple thermometer. Different types of thermometers are used for measuring the temperature of air. Mercury or alcohol is used in the thermometers. The freezing point of mercury is minus 39 degrees Celsius, whereas that of alcohol is minus 130 degrees Celsius. These materials are highly sensitive to temperature variations. Therefore, variation in temperature from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 55 degrees Celsius can easily be observed with the help of these materials. The unit of measuring temperature are degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. These are expressed as degrees. The difference in daily temperature, maximum minimum, can be observed with the help of a thermometer. Air temperature is measured in Celsius.